What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we had the final review video on the AMT 1967 Chevelle Pro Street, and right off the bat, it's a decent kit. I'm not gonna say it's the best, but it's pretty decent. So let's go ahead and go around. We'll see what I did to it, and then we'll wrap up this Pro Street good build from me, and we'll move on to something else. So the body color is, we all know what the body color is. It's Splash Paint's Midnight Purple, which looks incredible, and it really turned out very good. The clear coat turned out very good, smooth, gave it well polish, you know, wax on, wax off, and no pivots in the clear coat, which is incredible. So body just looks fantastic. I got the little Guppy's toy decal on there, so it looks very cool. I love how that turned out. And a couple of sponsors on the bottom where the front wheels are, so it looks pretty good. The hood is like a semi-matte finish, black, so it actually looks pretty cool. The hood scoop, I'm not really a fan of the hood scoop. It is a little weird, but what are you gonna do? But I was really thinking of keeping the hood scoop off and just have the engine peek out, but whatever. So I just put it on there just a heck of it, and it looks decent, but I kind of wish I didn't put it on there, but but it's okay. We got the parachute on there with my homemade brackets. Apparently in the kit it does come with a bracket. I didn't see one in there, but I just made one, so but it looks a little bit better. So, and the wheels, we did aluminum / gold wheels, which looks pretty cool, because, you know, originally they're gold, and then, you know, they kind of got faded out because, you know, he's going over 100 miles an hour, so kind of get faded out after a while, and plus baking in the sun. So but overall the whole outside of it looks incredible. The interior is aluminum, the door panels, the back portion of the car, and the roll cage is aluminum. The dashboard is semi-gloss black, and the seats are, to me, a dark gray, so, or a dark sky gray, whatever it is, but they look incredible. The seats did not come with the kit because I wasn't a big fan of the kit seats, but I had these seats in my stash and they look incredible. They look a little more better than, you know, the kit ones. The kit ones are kind of, I don't know, they look a little weird. So I didn't go with them. I did not go with any chrome on the car, like I mentioned. I deleted chrome on the windows. I just put black trim on there because chrome, it does put on some weight. I didn't do any chrome down here because the kit does come with a big chrome trim that goes in the bottom of the car. I didn't want that because, like I said, weight. The front and back portion of the vehicle is all chrome, and I had to ship it and put it on the body before paint, and I painted it all body color. So it looks very cool, and I'm really digging it. But other than that, that's pretty much about it. The engine went together very well. Only one major problem is the hood scoops that come with the engine. They don't fit under the hood. If you have the hood scoop on there, you cut out the hood and stuff, it still doesn't fit. So if you want to put on these little hood scoops, there's a couple options in the kit. Make sure you don't put the hood scoop on, which I didn't want to, but I put on there for the heck of it. I don't know why, but whatever. But if you're going to put one of those on there, don't put hood scoop on because the hood does not fit. So right now it's just nothing under the hood. It's just the it's, you know, I'll show you to you, but yeah, it's that. So there's no scoops on there, there's no filters, so but it's not a big deal. If I want to show the engine, I'll just go ahead and just pop those on there, and they should look pretty cool. Put some double-sided tape on there so they can stay, but yeah, I kind of bumped out about that, but it's okay. The engine, I do got some purple distributor wires in there and stuff to kind of, you know, match the body color a little bit, so they do look very, very cool and very good. So, but other than that, that's pretty much about it. The chassis, I done my special technique on the chassis. It has texture on it, like, you know, he does a burnout before, you know, they go to the drag strip, you know, to warm up the tires, and, you know, rubber gets all over the place and gets on the bottom of the car. So that looks pretty good. The exhaust, you kind of see through the mirror, had got, you know, kind of burnt exhaust, kind of stained. So looks very good. Overall, a good, decent kit. It's not the best kit out there, but I gotta say, it is pretty decent. It goes together very well. The bumpers went on no problem. The glass just clicked right in. The front glass really just snaps in. It just, you know, stays no glue, but make sure you put a little glue on it just to be 100% sure. The back glass just slides right in, stays, no issue. But other than that, it looks very good, and it's actually, like I said, decent kit. Not the best, but it's decent. So, but I'll give it pretty good stars because, you know, no fit issues. I had no fit issues with this one. I know a lot of people out there said there's fit issues, they have issues with it and stuff, but I didn't run into any issues. There was no flash on my kit. I know Jeff texted me, he said there's tons of flash on his, but I got lucky, I guess. I got a good copy of this kit, so I'm really thankful for that. But other than that, that's gonna wrap up for this video. I'll have a little slideshow of it in the photo booth at the end of the video, and go to my other channel to check out the slideshow. But other than that, that's gonna wrap up for this video. So subscribe if you are new, comment down below if you want to comment, and until my next video, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.